Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Melbourne, Australia. Yeah, the city that the whole world is envious of. Yeah, they're all dying to move here. It's a good city. I've lived here all my life, but I don't know, I like the tropics a little better, except it has its downsides, and that's why I'm not there and I'm here. But that's another topic altogether, guys. Right now we're gonna be talking pomegranate. These are my neighbors' pomegranate fruit, and because the tree is how shall I say, oh, it's a nice thumbnail, because the tree is hanging over the fence. Let's see, technically, right? Because you have, okay, there's two kinds of people in the world. Easy, right? Those who get taken advantage of. And difficult. Those that don't like to share. Unless there's something in it for them. Yeah. So, my neighbor's cool. He, well, he doesn't mind. So let's grab, let's start with this one here that the birds or the possums or the bats have already chewed into. That's been like that for over a week, and it's definitely ready, going by what I can see inside. And then we're gonna go for either this one or this big boy. Huge. And the way to tell if they're ready, guys, is if the fruit is got a bit of a square shape. If you touch it and feel it, right, rub your hands, and if it's squared instead of round, it's pretty close. And the other sign is if you squeeze it and it's a little soft, if it gives. And that one's not quite perfectly soft, but we're gonna go for it anyway, guys. And the variety today is the wonderful. So let's see, I can pull it off or I can just cut it off. Well, I'm gonna cut it and drop. Boom, 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 boom. Bang, boom. Oh, it's big. This is at least one, well, I'm guessing between 800 grams and 1 kilo. Pretty close to that. Yeah. And that's it, guys. The critters have already started. You can see in that one there. They've already hollowed that one out. Right, about 2 weeks ago. Savage. That one up there they've mauled in half. Savage. And and that one back there in the middle, halved and hollowed out. So that's 3. And I don't know, there might be more. Yeah, I haven't looked on the other side. I'm only focusing on my side. So let's get moving. Oh, and there's another one up there they've mauled right at the top, but you can't see it. All right, guys, let's move. And even though it's autumn and the temperatures have plummeted by 10 Celsius, we're still watering, guys. And we're still watering even trees that are, I could say, fully established, like this 6-year-old black sapote. Look. I'm watering it on high pressure for 20 minutes. You know how much water that is, man? That's enough water to fill 2 or 3 bathtubs. Yeah, I'm going to town on it because I don't want a repeat of what happened last summer. That is 22-23, when the tree half died. Look at this. Look at the results I'm getting from the watering I'm doing. Oh, by the way, we haven't had any rain in 2 months. That's the main reason I'm overdoing it, right? So go to town on these bad boys. Yeah. Now, if it's in a pot, it's a different story, right? You don't water that much. You got to back off. All right, guys, let's get moving with our spoils. Okay, temperature these days, 20 to 24, 25 maybe, Celsius here in autumn. So because the pomegranate is a stainer, it stains, I'm gonna use this bowl here that I can wash. So we're gonna do the cutting out here on the ground where it doesn't matter if there's mess, right? Okay, looks like the little one is spoiled. The one the birds or the critters dug into. So that's gonna go into the garbage. Goodbye. And this one, the main one, looks maybe a little underripe. Let's just have a little taste. Hey guys. Sweet. Oh yeah, it's good. Wow. Doesn't look it, but it is. Very, very good. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy this now. It's going to be messy, but that's all right, guys. We don't mind a little mess. Remember, we are lovers of nature, and nature isn't clean. Nature is actually everything that it is, right? From A to Z. So we just roll with it. I have to remember that this is very messy, so I'm gonna have to eat it in this bowl here. Listen to the birdies. They're the sounds of autumn. Yeah, the proper way to eat this is to tap, 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 and all the seeds fall out. But I just like to eat it like an apple, because I'm savage too. Come on, guys, there's a little bit of savage in all of us. I don't swallow the seeds. Well, a little bit, but not most of them. Not okay. So I spit them out, and you don't want to see that. Here we go, another bite. Nice. The wonderful pomegranate. Nice. I'm gonna save some for Kim too. There you go. Nice. Right. Very soft. The seeds are soft, they're not hard. This section wasn't as sweet as the previous section. It's a little sweet. The other one was very sweet. It's strange. Which tells me that it could have gone another week or two. Nice. Far less sweet. Okay. Okay, I got another portion. This one is lacking sweetness too. Okay, so I was picked too early. Interesting that the first bite was the sweetest. Very interesting. Okay, this is the final quarter. Oh wow, look at that. Nice. I hope this side is sweet. The last side. This side is sweet too. So half the fruit was sweet and half wasn't. Oh well, right? It's the first pomegranate of many to come. Yeah, the next one I won't pick it till maybe late April. This is not sweet. Well, there's a hint of sweetness. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, that was like a 6. And only because of the sugar level was low. Sugar level was like 3 out of 10. But I like how fresh and soft the seeds were. That was like the highlight, and very juicy. So guys, you'll have to wait another 2 or 3 weeks until we pick the next one. The thing is, the birds and bats don't wait. Yeah, I might have to bag them, which I didn't want to do. It's good to see there's no fruit fly, unlike in Queensland and Sydney. Nope, no sign of fruit fly at all, which is great. That's one positive. No fruit fly infestation yet of pomegranates in Melbourne. Okay, that's that. As for my trees, well, I've decided they haven't been doing so well, right? And I don't know why. Well, I sort of know why. Dryness. They don't mind dry. I really don't understand. But anyway, I wanted to say I'm going to plant the 2 I have in the ground, in the pots. I'm going to put them in the ground. So the Rossavaya is going to go in a I'm going to bury it in the ground there. And the other one, the Azerbaijani, that's also going to go in the ground for next spring. I'm not doing it now. It's going to be a project for winter time. So I'm going to do that. Oh gee, maybe in August or September, when they're starting to come back. So guys, they're my 2 potted pomegranates that haven't done anything at all this season, and my 2 older pomegranates, the Elsh, did absolutely nothing, and that's almost 10 years old. It's ridiculous. And this one, the Ben Hur, is 12 years old or thereabouts, and that did nothing too. And we're talking almost 3 meters. I don't know what's going on, but I must admit I haven't watered them at all. during this drought at all, not one drop. But guys, come on, pomegranates are desert trees, like figs. They're like figs. When do you water established fig tree? Never. When do you water an established pomegranate tree? Never. So it can't be lack of moisture, although this hedge here has been suspiciously happy lately. So I don't know, maybe he's taking everything from them, I don't know. And I've got one other pomegranate in the backyard, the Parfianca, the so-called best of all pomegranates, right? I'm not going to show you that today because it's tiny. It's only like 2 feet tall, maybe 3 feet tall, and yeah, that's doing really well, but it's only like a year old. Okay guys, that's the video. We're going to be back, like I said, in a couple of weeks to try again. I like that big one up there, that one up there. Whew. That's right on the boundary. Yeah, that one, it's huge. That's even bigger than the one I tried. Right, so we've got 3 beauties up there, and a couple on my side too. That's it for now guys. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. I know many of you won't like it because I picked the fruit too early. Come on guys, give me a break. we're not in the army here, or trying to study science. It's just fun. We're having fun. I better turn off that water on that black sapote. If you're not having fun, right, you know how it goes. Has it spilled out yet? No, it's still going after 20 minutes. Wow. Damn, these guys are thirsty. All right, guys. See you from the next video. Bye-bye now. Yeah, the potted ones didn't do much at all. Nah. Nope, forget about potted. I've seen some amazing potted pomegranates on YouTube from other people, but it wasn't to be at Fruitopia. Alright guys, over and out. Terrible. That one just fell off. Terrible, terrible, terrible.